Hello, and welcome back to the Ultimate Facepalm channel. My name's Keyo, and today I'm going to be installing a hard drive, this guy, 2 terabyte, into this computer right here. So, stay tuned, and I'll show you how to do that right away. Alright.
Okay, so we have the NAD SSD, the 860 Evo. It's a 6 gigabyte SATA solid state hard drive, 2 terabytes. It's right here. In order to put this as part of the computer, we have to come around the other side. So we'll just follow me around real quick. Yeah, make sure you take off the side panels. If you have a tempered glass, lay it down somewhere flat so it doesn't break. So what I've done is we have a SATA 6 cable, and we have SATA ports right here. The hard drive is right here. It's not like the best wiring, but it could be worse. I went ahead and plugged in this SATA 6 cable in here, and I routed through the wire management hole here to the other side. And on this side, I've run it through here. I've located a SATA power, and this is the SATA cable for this. So you take your solid state hard drive, and you're going to see here, this is your SATA power. You got the little pins here, it lines up with these guys. You see a little notch in here if you want to get nice and close. There's a little notch L, and you get a little notch L. So this has to go in like this. This guy, same thing. You've got a notch L here. So you want to stick this guy like that. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that nice and easily. This one goes on a little harder. Don't be worried. They're not going to break super easy. So I'm going to turn this guy around. And we're going to plug it in as so. Or you will put a little bit extra pressure on there if you have to. So it fits in there nice. Just check your back, make sure the pins are all the way down. You see how there's no exposed contacts. So the idea behind this is not much room inside this computer, but luckily it shouldn't get too hot. And there is a fan that blows into this hard drive disk tray. So what I should have done is probably put the hard drive in there first, but I didn't. We can just go ahead and just nice and easily slide this in here. Not perfect, but it will work. Oh, I wish I had a bracket for this, but there you go. The SATA and the plug are in there. This cable management is kind of horrendous, but this hard drive will now work with that hard drive. So there you go. That's it. That's how you install it, and just put your stuff back together. If you want to fix this wiring mess, you can do that, but this will work despite that. So there you go. Installed hard drive, nice and easy. Alright, so the next part is the disk management. So you're going to go to create and format a hard drive partition. It's going to pop up, it's going to populate. Make this big, and it's going to say unallocated, right? This is the 2 terabytes, so we're going to right click, we're going to create new simple volume. Hit next, go through the wizard. It's going to auto detect how much space it's available. Going to go through the next one. Do you want this to be any particular letter?
No.
No? So we're just going to make this E drive. Here we go. And we're going to do the regular quick format. New volume label. What would you like it to be named?
Games 2.
Games 2. Alright. Yes, indeed. Hit the button, and it's formatting. And it's ready to use. So you can double check to make sure it's there by just typing my PC, double click, or just click this button, and there it is. There's the new hard drive, formatted and installed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, and if you really like me and you want to know when my next video comes out, hit that notification button. Until next time, bye-bye.